Hello, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I have got the Space NK Fragrance Advent Calendar to share with you. Inside contains 12 fragrances, 2 of which are full size. It has a value of £558 and can be bought for £160. I was expecting this one to sell out pretty quickly considering it was released a couple of days ago, but so far it hasn't. So I get to do an unboxing for you to see whether you like it or not. If you are interested in this calendar, then as always you'll see it down below in my description, and down there you see all my other discounts codes and offers to other websites, including the chance to win a Glossy Box Advent Calendar, the 2025 unopened one, over on Instagram and on Facebook. So if you're not following me on those, then you'll find links down there as well. So let's get on to smelling some perfumes. If you watch my Space NK Beauty Advent Calendar, you will know that I had trouble finding the numbers. Although this packaging is really pretty, reminds me of wrapping paper, it's not great for me. Trying to find it. I can see number 2. This is number 1. Here we go. Can you see there all right? Let me move over here a bit more. Okay, day number 1. Oh, we got a full size. This is Marlin & Goet's Strawberry Eau de Parfum. This perfume is worth £78. And it's a fruity green type perfume. Has notes of bergamot, Mara strawberry, which I've never heard of before, cedarwood and orris wood. So think fresh berries, green leaves and musk. I think I would like this one. Initially, when I saw it, I thought, oh, strawberry. I love fruity smells, but I don't like anything too sweet. But let's have a go. Let's see what it's like. Good old whiff. Yeah, I really like this one. It's a very fresh perfume. I prefer it on my hand than on this little perfume smeller thing. You know what I mean? I really like that. So 50 mils. Now, if you're new to my channel, then you won't know what type of perfumes I normally go for. I love a fruity floral. I don't like anything that's too sweet. I like musks, vanillas, some aquatic, some fresh greenery type perfumes. I'm not keen on smoky, spicy, tobacco, peppery type perfumes. With those, I tend to pass on. But starting off strong for me anyway, I do really like that. Oh, hold on a minute. I asked ChatGPT again to predict whether I would like the perfumes or not. And it said that I would probably like this one. It's more fresh than sweet. But yeah, no, I definitely like this one. I love that one. Okay, day number 2. And we've got Acne Studios by Frederic Malle. This is a 10ml perfume and it is worth £55. It's clean, woody and musky. It has notes of aldehyde, rose and sandalwood. And musk. I forgot musk. So it's a skin scent with a dry, woody base, apparently. Stylish and understated. ChatGPT is helping me out here, by the way. I am not a perfume connoisseur. Yeah, this is quite nice. When I read that it had rose in it, I thought, but no, this is all right, actually. It reminds me of a really nice body lotion. I don't think it's one I would go out and buy. I don't know, I'm on the fence. It's not horrible at all. It's just not one I would normally go for. Chat predicted that I will more than likely like this one, as the rose will be balanced by the musk and sandalwood. All right then, day number 3. We got Glossier U Doux Eau de Parfum. There's 10 mils there. And it is worth around £9. I love the design of that. Look. It looks milky, cloudy. Can you see? So the type of perfume is a skin scent musky amber. It has top notes of amberette, musk, pink pepper and iris. It's not that strong. Let's try a little bit on my hand. But I think I like it. It's alright, it is quite subtle actually, but I can smell the pepper in there and I'm not that keen on it. No, it's not one I would wear. I love the actual bottle though. I think that is really gorgeous, but no, I'll definitely be passing that one on. Chat predicted that I would definitely love this one, but no, don't like that one, so got it wrong there. Day number 4, we've got another full size, and this is Dedcool. Fragrance number 1, Taunt. I haven't heard of this one before. And this 50ml full-size bottle is worth £90. The type of perfume is a warm musk with a sweet edge. It has top notes of bergamot, amber, vanilla and musk. And the vibe is soft, cozy and sensual. Sounds great. I can smell the vanilla in it. It's not really strong, but it's definitely there. It's really nice. Again, it smells quite subtle, but I'm sure it's these perfume sticks. But yeah, it says it's genderless and vegan. It does smell quite subtle though, but it is one I would wear. And chat predicted that I would like this one as vanilla and musk. I really like. And that one's modern and minimal, apparently. That's what I go for. Day number 5, we've got Byredo Blanche. Absolute de Perfume. There's 8 mils here and it is worth around £25. It's a clean, soft floral musk with notes of aldehydes, neroli, soft rose, musk and sandalwood. Smells like crisp white cotton sheets. Eerie, elegant, skin-like. I can't remember if I've smelled this one before in an advent calendar. I do recognise the bottle, I do recognise the brand. What is aldehydes? I don't know what that is. It's a nice and easy, wearable daytime scent. Yeah, it smells nice and fresh. Yeah, so far the perfume's very, very wearable and I think would suit quite a lot of people unless you love your very, very strong, heavy, tobacco-y, smoky type scents. But we're only day 5 and ChatGPT thought I would like this one as it's not overly powerful with the rose. So yeah, I've got it right there. So number 6. We've got Kilian Paris. This is 7.5 mils and it is worth around £25. Angel Share by Kilian. It's a gourmand, boozy, woody vanilla type of perfume. Has notes of cognac, cinnamon, tonka bean, vanilla and oak. I'm just anticipating I won't like this one. So I think rich, warm, like desert in a glass. Yeah, it's what I read. That smells of Christmas a little bit. It's the cinnamon, isn't it? It just takes you straight to Christmas. Or spicy apple crumble. I don't think there's apple in it. Yeah, it's not one I would wear. I think actually it's a type of perfume I would like in it like a candle towards Christmas time. I'd quite happily burn that, but no, I wouldn't wear that one. And yeah, it was predicted that I won't like this one. Too sweet, too spicy and too boozy. Day number 7 here. Oh, we got 2. Juliette has a gun. We got Not a Perfume and Miami Shake. You know what? I absolutely love Ego Stratus by Juliette Has a Gun. You never see it in beauty calendars or beauty boxes or anything like that. And that is my favourite from this brand. So the Not a Perfume then. Minimalist, musky, woody, amber. Has notes of Cetelox, single note. Yep. So think clean, skin-like, modern and effortless. I do know what this smells like and I do like this one. And it's been in other fragrance calendars, possibly the Look Fantastic one. Yeah, and I think it was very subtle then as well. I'm sure it was the Juliette Has a Gun. I can just about smell it. Yeah, it's a nice one. I haven't got a clue what Cetelox is, if that's how I'm saying it right, but it smells nice. So that's Not a Perfume. And then we've got Miami Shake. I'm not sure if I've ever smelt this one though. This is a fruity gourmand perfume. So with a fun, flirty, beachy, like a fruity cocktail type vibe. It has notes of strawberry, vanilla, whipped cream and musk. Now this sounds gorgeous, but I'm just wondering if it's too sweet for me. Do you know what? I'm sure I've smelt it. I have smelt it. This is what I thought the Marlin and Goetz perfume would smell like, the day number 1, the strawberry one. It smells nice if I was about to drink a cocktail or eat a pudding, but it's just a little bit too sweet for me. It is lovely, but I don't want to be smelling of sweets. I'm sure I have smelt that before though, but I'll be passing that one on. So yeah, chat said no way, I won't like this Miami Shake one. It's too sweet and too creamy for me. And I would like Not a Perfume. It's very subtle and not very florally. But then I do really like floral perfumes. I don't know why it said that, but anyway. Day number 8 over here. We got Vyrao Ludo. I haven't saying that. For flirtation and seduction. Eau de Parfum. Ooh, a sexy scent to get you in the mood. So this 10ml perfume is worth £30. Aromatic, floral, green, musky vibe. So think energetic, fresh and spiritual. It has notes of water florals, green and musk. Oh, that is very different. It's got a bit of tobacco in there, or smoke. No, smoke I think it is. Like bonfire-y, woody, smoky smell. Yeah, it's not one for me. It's alright. It's not overpowering. It's not really strong. Well, not on this perfume stick, but yeah, not one for me. It was predicted that I might like this one if it stays light and clean. No, got it wrong there. Day number 9. So we got Replica and Acqua de Parma. So the Replica is Lazy Sunday Morning. There's 7 mils here and it is worth £12. It's a soft floral musk clean linen type perfume. So think clean sheets and skin after a shower. Love, love, love their bottles. It has notes of lily of the valley, pear, iris and white musk. It's a nice smell, but it just reminds me of something like an older woman would wear. It takes me back to what I remember when I was a kid, being around older ladies like my grandmother's age. The type of perfume that they would wear. It's the lily of the valley, isn't it? No, not one for me. Chat predicted that I'd love this. It's gentle and fresh. Exactly my type. No. So we got Acqua de Parma and this is Fico di Amalfi. Hopefully you can read that there. I know I'm not probably saying it right, sorry. This is 12 mils and it is worth around £17.50. Love the blue bottle. Fresh, citrus, green and woody. Think sunny Amalfi coast. Breezy, light and fig tree freshness. Oh my gosh, I love this. I absolutely love this. It has notes of lemon, bergamot, grapefruit, fig nectar and cedarwood. I do really like this one. It's nice and fresh. It's not too sweet. Really, really, really happy with that. I think that is my favourite so far. And it's possibly the cheapest as well. Chat predicted that I will love this one. It's bright, clean, natural, no heavy tobacco, smoky scents. So it said. Okay, day number 10. We've got Jardin, Sandalwood Temple. This is 10 mils and it's worth £27. Woody, warm and spiritual perfume. So think creamy woods with a light floral edge. It has notes of sandalwood, cedar, vanilla and neroli. It is a subtle smell on here. It's weird, isn't it? Obviously you do get different strengths of perfumes, but it feels like I just can't sniff enough. I need more. I need it to give me more. It smells nice, but not enough for me to be like, oh wow, I love that one. Not like the Acqua de Parma one. And it was predicted that I might like it. It depends whether the sandalwood would lean creamy or woody. What's creamy mean? I don't know. Day number 11. We've got something wrapped up. Pistachio. How do you pronounce this then? DS and Durga pocket perfume. And this is pistachio. Love the packaging. It's quite retro looking, isn't it? So this is 10 mils and it is worth £40. It's a gourmand nutty green type perfume. So think milky, nutty, sweet with a bit of spice. So it has notes of pistachio, cardamom, vanilla, almond and patchouli. It's a roller ball look. Okay, let's see if I can roll some on here. I was hoping it would be like Kayali pistachio, but it's not. I can't even describe it. Definitely not one for me. And chat predicted that I probably wouldn't like this one. It's too creamy and sweet for me. So I wouldn't have said that. I wouldn't say it's too sweet. It's just, I don't know what the scent is, what it is. I can't, yeah, it's just, don't like it. Never mind. Day number 12, the last day of the advent calendar. We've got Diptyque candle. This is a Mimosa candle. It's 70 grams here and it is worth £37. It has a powdery floral type scent. So think warm sunshine, pollen dust and not too sweet. It has notes of mimosa flower, honey, hay and green leaves. That's what it looks like. Oh, it just smells like grass. That's all I can smell. It smells just like cut grass. It's not strong, but then I have just smelt like over 12 different perfumes. It smells like cut grass. So I'll definitely burn that one. And there you go. Those are all the items in the Space NK fragrance advent calendar. It costs £160. It has a value of £558 and it contains, was it 2 full-size perfumes in there. Overall, I am really glad I went for it. There's some really nice perfumes in there. There is a few that aren't for me. I'd say there's one definite that I absolutely hate, which is the Pistachio one. And there's 1 or 2 that I think, nah, I'm going to pass on. But I think there's more perfumes I like than I don't like. Comparing it to Harrods, which is another luxury advent calendar and one I did unbox as well, you've got way more value in the Harrods one, which unfortunately you can't get anymore because it's sold out. But then you've also got a lot more larger sizes and full sizes. But then you are paying, is it £60–70 more? I think if they were released at the same time, you'd get better value with a Harrods one. The perfumes are different with this one. The perfumes in here are more lighter, more fresh, more easygoing, whilst the Harrods advent calendar, like stronger, long lasting, quite powerful. There's some really beautiful ones in there that are lighter as well. That's the vibe of the advent calendar then. It's more, you're talking perfumes like £200, £300, £400. So it's a big difference. So it's really hard to compare because they are so different. But if you love your perfumes and you found my little description of each with the help of ChatGPT as always, then let me know what you think of this one and whether you went for it or not. But yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.